from the diagram, these are two right angled triangles. We have the first one and the second one put together, and for the question, we have to find the value of x. But to find the value of x, we need to know the length of this and the length of this in order to get the value of x. But when we come here, we don't know the length of this, but we know this side to be 13 meters. So before we can find x, we need to find the length of this side. But we can find this side using the 4 and the 3. So with solution, let me name this side as y. So you can redraw the figure and name that side as y. Therefore, per the drawing we have at the down here, y becomes the hypotenuse of the smaller right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras, y squared should be equal to 3 meters squared plus 4 meters squared, where 3 meters squared will give us 9 meters squared plus 16 meters squared. So y squared should be equal to 25 meters squared, where y will be equal to root of 25 meters squared. So the value of y becomes 5 meters. Now that we know the value of y to be 5 meters, we can now find our x. But per the drawing, 13 is the hypotenuse of the second triangle. Therefore, we have, using the same Pythagoras, we will be having 13 meters squared. That's the square of the hypotenuse should be equal to the square of the sum of the two sides. Well, because we are looking for x, 13 meters squared minus y squared should be equal to x squared, because I just moved the y to this side. So now we have 13 meters squared minus the y we know is 5 meters squared should be equal to x squared. So 169 meters squared minus 25 meters squared should be equal to x squared. 169 minus 25 will result in 144 meters squared, being equal to x squared. So we find the square roots of both sides, 144 meters squared, to be equal to the square root of x squared, where square cancels the roots. We are left with only the x, and the square root of 144 is 12 meters. Therefore, the value of the x we are supposed to find